Name's Ubby, and I'm on the team behind Math Mentor, and today I'm going to be going over one of our learning modules. We have 75 learning modules, but this one right here today is a Gaussian elimination one. And the goal of this learning module is to put this matrix in reduced row echelon form. And usually putting a matrix in reduced row echelon form takes a lot of row arithmetic, and it's really easy to get bogged down by elementary calculations and lose sight of the bigger picture. So what this learning module lets you do is solve this problem interactively without having to worry about the arithmetic. So what I'm going to go over here is some of the operations that you're allowed to do with this learning module. So to start this off, let's swap some of these rows. So right here, I'm going to click on this gray button with the arrows and just hold it and drag and drop. And as you can see that these rows just got swapped. The next thing I want to do is multiply this bottom row by a scalar to get a 1 on the bottom. So I'm going to put 3 in the scalar box right here and just click on this blue button. As you can see, that scalar got multiplied across that whole row. And the last operation I want to do to put this matrix in reduced row echelon form is to be able to take the scalar multiple row and add it to another. So in this example, I'm going to put -1 right here. I'm going to click and hold the button. And as you can see, the row that I'm holding is the scalar multiply or the scalar multiple of this row, and the original row is the same. And what I'm gonna do right here is just drop it on top of this second row, and we can see that that row just got added onto that middle row. And now this matrix is in reduced row echelon form. Usually, as I said earlier, this takes a lot of arithmetic and elementary calculations, and the student loses focus on the big picture. By doing it this way, the student gets to spend more time focusing on higher order concepts, and as well as being able to do a higher quantity of problems in the same amount of time. And doing more repetitions allows the students to have these concepts in long-term memory. And also students gets immediate feedback on what they did wrong, and they could do an operation, for example, or just restart the problem.